Think you know nature? Bet you can't get all 7 right. Only mammal that lays eggs besides the echidna.
Welcome to the quiz.
A. Platypus. Tree known for cones and winged seeds called samaras.
Question 1.
B. Maple. Animal that can regenerate lost limbs. C. Salamander. Largest flower producing the corpse smell. D. Rafflesia. Plant that traps insects with snap traps. A. Venus flytrap. Bird that cannot fly but can swim and dive. B. Penguin. Marine animal with 3 hearts. C. Octopus. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend to beat it. Follow to get a little smarter every day.